Hey, what's up everybody? Jason at Canyon Adventure Bands. Today we're going to do another install on our other version of the dash tray. This is just the standard dash tray, and then we also have a dash tray pro with a lip here where you're able to add your bullet point accessories for phone mounts, tablets, etc. So basically what you do is when you get this, it's made to slide right in here like so, and you just kind of push it into place, and it kind of just locks right in like that. And then you'll take your mat and drop that right into place. And that's it. That's how you install it. So super easy, nice little area here where you can add your cups, you can add your coffee, you can throw your phone on here, you can throw your wallet on here. You still have visibility, you still have access to everything. So one of the most popular items that we've had in the last couple months, and this is the dash tray. If you like this content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next video.